Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new topic, which is prefix and suffix. Now, let's see what prefix is. Prefix means it is a set of letters which is used in front of a word. It is a set of letter which is used in front of a word. Means it combines the word, and from that new word we get a different meaning. That means it changes entire meaning of the word. Suppose example, disappearing. Dis plus appear. Appear is, what is the meaning of appear? दिखना. And disappear, नहीं दिखना, गायब हो जाना. So disappearing here is completely changed word, completely opposite word in terms of appear. So prefix changes the word and it also changes the entire meaning of the word. Now next, suffix. Suffix is also the set of letters that comes at the end of a word. In prefix the word comes in front, but in suffix it comes at the end. It also changes the meaning. Suppose example, careless. Care plus less. It is also, less is also changing the meaning of care and it becomes careless. Now let's see the example of some prefix. First word is dis. Dis. Dis means opposite of something. Look at the word disagree, disappear. So these all are the opposite of agree, disagree, appear, disappear. Right? Next is en. En means cause of something. Word can be enable, enclose. Next is in. In and im, both the words meaning is same, that is not. See the word inability, inactive, and from im we can say impossible. Next is mis, miss. Miss means incorrect. So word can be mislead. Right? So this is how we can create some words and the meaning of the words can be changed. Similarly in suffix, which is used after. Right? Let's see. First word is able. 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 Meaning is that can be, and the word can be believable, comfortable. Next is ible. Ible meaning is having characteristics of. Okay, that is, the word can be responsible. Less we have already seen. Less means without. Careless, fearless. Right? ness, ness means state of. State of something. Shyness. Word can be shyness. Next is ful. The suffix is ful, full. Meaning is full of, helpful. So these all are the words which we are added after a word and we can change the meaning of a particular word. So these are called suffix. Now what you have to do is you have to find all the different words from these letters: able, less, ness, ness, ful, full, and find the other words apart from these words. Similarly in prefix also you have to find the words.